Chris, no fairy tale ending in the end.
No, I think there's lots of positives to take from the day. I think the occasion was fantastic. I think the attendance, the support was brilliant. I think even my players were fantastic today. I think just probably I didn't have a little bit of luck from a couple of set plays, long throws that we put in the box. Ball didn't bounce for us. I think if we'd have got the early goal and gone one in front with the crowd, I think we would have been difficult for TNS. But the first goal was disappointing from our point of view, and then the second goal we were chasing and left ourselves open. But overall, I thought there wasn't much between the two sides. I don't think our goalkeepers had a lot of saves to make. They had a lot of possession, but we knew that would be the case, and we set up for that.
Obviously, Jason Oswald had a great chance in the first half, and he missed the volley inside the 6 yard box. Scores that, it's a different game, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that's the opportunity I was talking about. There's fine lines, fine margins in football. They've gone for us this season and they've gone against us today. But I've just said to the players now, we've enjoyed the occasion, we've enjoyed the week, we've enjoyed the preparation, and for us now it's about making sure we have more of these days to sample. But this time we win and we don't lose, and I think that's the challenge to the players now. We said it last season when we lost to Bangor in the semi-final. We want to go that one step further. And I think today we've done that. We just haven't been able to get over the line and lost to a very good TNS side.
Disappointing that Shane got sent off with only a few minutes to go.
Yeah, I haven't had a chance to look at it. It looked a bit harsh, the red from where I was stood, but I haven't had a chance to have a look at it. But Shane's been very good for us all season, and as has all the players. So they can hold their heads up high today.
Overall, Chris, it was less than 5 years ago that Newtown had a reprieve to stay in the league. You had 2 top 6 finishes in a Welsh Cup final in the last year and a half. That's an amazing achievement for you and your players, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. They deserve all the credit. They're the ones who go out onto the pitch every week and try and win games of football. I think 18 months now, since I've been at the club, and as you say, 2 top 6 finishes and a Welsh Cup final and potential. We've still got one opportunity at Europe next week as well, and that's our focus now. Is we'll enjoy. We've enjoyed the day today, but we want to get to more of these occasions. So we've got a difficult game next week, but we'll prepare in the week. The boys are really positive and confident even after the game. And we'll go into Port Talbot next week trying to win the game there.
Just one question for FAWales.
Sorry.
In terms of on the pitch, off the pitch, as well, the facility is very much a work in progress. You see it like that along the right tracks. Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah, I think when I came in, when I met with the board in my interview, we were talking about the 3G pitch, and it's a fantastic facility that we've got here. And we tweaked and changed the style of play to we've got some good players, some fast players who like to play football. You probably didn't see that enough today, but overall the club are going in the right direction, and everyone at the club on and off the pitch can be very, very proud of our season so far. And like I said, it's not over yet. It's not over. We've got a playoff semi-final next week, and we can go into that full of confidence and another avenue into Europe.
In terms of support, excellent crowd here today, which shows if you do play success here, people will come and watch you.
Absolutely, and that's one thing I'm really pleased about, Ian, is that we've had supporters in the ground today, and we put on a little bit of a show, and I think hopefully now we can start to get some of those supporters into the ground regularly, and the players deserve that. They deserve the support because they've been superb all season, superb since I walked through the door last November, and they deserve that support. So hopefully we can get some of the people from today to come more regularly next season.